Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for the warm welcome that you give me, to my friends, and all the people that surround me. I'm so happy to be here in Tanzania. It's an amazing country. I already be here playing, but it's the first time that I come to spend my holidays. And like he say, Hensi is the first time that my foundation go out from Morocco, and it's a pleasure to be and make the first time my foundation outside here in Tanzania. First of all, I want to say thank you to the minister and the secretary that is here to make that happen. Also to the director of the school, thank you so much. And of course, to my brother Hensi that we talked long time ago when I see him in Paris in the stadium, and I said that I want to go to Tanzania with him and show me around Tanzania, but that is amazing country. So I want to say some special words to the director that is doing amazing work, like to doing the school, like making and trying to make the dream come true to these kids that they are not easy. And I want to say thank you from part of my heart and part of the heart of my people. That is incredible that the work that you're doing, and I'm here to help you every time, and it's not the first time that I'm gonna help you. Thank you so much. And to the minister that is not here but representing to the secretary, thank you for make this trip amazing. It's not the end, and I hope I'm gonna come back, and thank you for what you're doing for Tanzania and for these kids and for this school. Thank you for letting me do these kind of things.